Oh, good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to my nightmare. I don't know if you can see, but water has overflowed quite nicely. If we had winter time, it would freeze over beautifully and we could have a hockey game in here. You can see my foot tap into the the watery surface of the edge of the pond here. Oh, thank goodness that the toilet wasn't full of crap when it overflowed. It's just water for the most part. Oh, good times. Well, it looks like I'll be bailing water for a ship that's not sinking. Oh, yeah. Have a look out. At least it's a beautiful, nice day. Bloody fucking hell. Tune in later when I will update the news channel for flood front March 2016. Good day.